So DEF, we got addFruit. This is our last function, D items. So we're going to list fruit. And now we're going to say, we need to ask the three things, right? We need to ask for the three pieces of information: the name of the fruit, the price, and the quantity. Price equals, and this is going to be a float input fruit price str quantity equals, and this is an integer input, right? Yeah, we left that an integer. Okay, so there is that. Now I have those three. Now I just have to build the dictionary. So the way that you can do this that I think makes sense is to start on the inside. So I'm going to build this value first. Okay, so I'm going to go dinner equals a dictionary, and I'm going to say str. Well, I didn't name those variables right. That's going to bug me. Float price and int quantity. FL price, int quantity. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now I'm going to add, now that I have the inner part, I'm going to add to this, remember this dictionary here. There we go, now they're the same. I was like, what's going on? So D items, and we're going to add a new key. So it's going to be str name equals D inner. Okay, so what we're adding to this dictionary a new key, which is the name that they enter, and the value is going to be this dictionary that we created. So now we're going to say print str name has been added. And now we are going to return D items. There we go. So now we're going to say addFruit equals addFruit. Again, we're using self-assignment here. We're saying we're going to run the addFruit function. We're going to pass it our main database as a variable, and whatever comes back, when it returns that with something added, we're going to put it back into that same bucket. So addFruit, once again, has our stuff. List fruit. I'm just putting this notation in here so we can see where we're at, where we're at in the program. All right, so we're going straight into removing the fruit. So let's get rid of apples. And now we're adding an item. You can see oranges and bananas are left. We're going to add the item grapes, fruit price, quantity. Uh-oh. Subscriptable. Hang on 1 second. Been added. That's in list fruit. I'm trying to figure out what I did wrong here. I'm going to do a little debugging here, which is a good thing. It's not bad to see how this works. Actually, let's print addFruit. I'm going to see what's going on because I think I did something weird when I added it. So let's run this. And I'm going to just add an item. Grapes, fruit price, oranges. Uh-oh. That's what I did. Haha. When I created this, I didn't follow the proper dictionary structure. I didn't give it a key and a value. So let's just do this correctly here. It is price and quant. Price. How come none of you said anything when I was doing that? It's your job to catch my errors. There we go. So now that I printed out the value of that dictionary, it was pretty easy to see what I was doing wrong. So now let's just pick up where we left off. List fruit, addFruit should work just fine. So let's do this. Let's just add an item, grapes, and 290.23. Okay, now that's gonna bug me. All right, I need to force it to have two variables or two decimals there, but we can do that using the formatting feature. But that is